Yeah. Coral or maybe, but some of the bones there. This knife is giving me a hard time, so I don't know. There's a woman that lives here too. There's another Fijian lady.
Yeah.
She came from Mildura yesterday.
Oh, was she picking down there, picking grapefruit?
Yeah.
Is she going to stay in the house?
Because Mum just said I just tried to use the bathroom just a bit earlier.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, there's some stuff there. And then I thought, oh, there must be someone leaving. So then I went down to the Mum and Dad.
Yeah.
They said, oh, there's someone that came. Okay. So that's right.
Oh, so it's not someone you got.
No. All my boys are in Queensland.